Hello everyone! Okay, so I'm a bit stressed. So let me tell you my day. So, I filmed a very exciting video yesterday to go up tomorrow for Fashion Fridays, and I'm so excited about it, and I was planning on spending all day today, Thursday, because I filmed it yesterday, editing it today, and getting it up for tomorrow. And I like to give myself a full day to edit, just do it nice, and there's no stress. I'm nice and calm editing it. And then I got a Royal Mail delivery thing this morning with like a slip saying custom charges, and I was like, oh my god. That is the parcel that I actually planned on doing a Valentine's Day makeover kind of makeup look on Monday, so the Monday that's passed, and yeah, it didn't come in time, and you guys have probably guessed it was going to be a Kylie Cosmetics Valentine's Day kit review, kind of get ready with me kind of video, and yeah, it didn't come in time. Obviously I knew something was going to go wrong, and yeah, but it came this morning, and you know what, I just thought, will I wait till makeover Mondays and do it like peacefully over the weekend, or will I just do it today? And I just thought, you know what? I've got a whole day. I'm going to go to the post office, I'm going to pay the customs, I'm going to get it, I'm going to film it, I'm going to edit it, and I'm going to get it up for you guys. I'm really hoping this is up on Valentine's Day. It is currently 3:40 p.m. So I actually haven't got all day. I've kind of got 9 hours, nearly 8. To do this. So let's stop talking, let's just get straight into it. I'm honestly so excited to try this. I've seen so many different reviews about it. So I bought it on the 1st of February when it got when it was thingied on a website. It came out. I was there at like 11 o'clock at night, like watching it go public, and yeah, she put it on her website. I bought 3 things. I got the eyeshadow palette, the Valentine's eyeshadow palette. I can't speak today. Moving on. Got the love set. Now I did want just a plain red, and then she did a nude. I really like the middle colour, so I went for the love set, the lip kit, and I also got a blush. Of course I had to get a blush for Valentine's Day, and because Kylie is all about her blush. So yeah, I've got those 3 things, and we are going to do a face with them. You can see I've already got my base on, so I've got foundation, concealer, powder, done my eyebrows, and I've also put a bit of concealer on my eyelids. So yeah, I'm totally ready to get stuck in to this eyeshadow palette, and yeah. So first of all, packaging is so cute, to die for. I absolutely love it. It's just, yeah, I just love the colours, I love the pattern, I just love everything about it. You guys have probably seen reviews, so I won't go too much on about the packaging, but let me open it. Bloody hell if I can. Again, it's like a baby pink, so cute. I absolutely love it. And I open it up, so I've got a little protector here, which is good. Pink and the red is definitely calling my name first. I've seen lots of reviews about this, and apparently, yeah, the metallics, the shimmers aren't that great. But yeah, let's just get into it, see how I get on. I'm trying to like think what kind of look I should do. I can't not use the pinks because they are just so cute. Can't go into the nudes when there's all those lovely pinks there. So yeah, we're gonna make it kind of like a vibrant, fun pink, flirty Valentine's Day look because that's what it's all about. So here is the blusher. I'm actually going to do the blush first to finish off my face. So let me open this. And the packaging is, oh, I keep saying cute, but guys, it is really sweet, and that is the colour. It's a lot more peach than I actually thought. I can't actually remember what it was called. It's got a protector on the mirror. Yeah, I can't remember what shade I got. What shade was it? I got shade Crush. But I do like a peachy pink blush. I don't like one that's like hot pink or any kind of red in it. I like it to be really lifting and light. So yeah, that looks lovely. So I'm going to try that out, and we'll open the lip kit when I get to it. So very nude. I don't know if you can see that. It's very nude and pink, but that's what I love. So let's put some of this on. I'm just going in with a BH Cosmetics number 5 brush, and yeah, nothing comes off the brush, which is good. But yeah, let's go straight in with it. Oh, I'm excited. excited? Are you excited? This is exactly how I like a blush to be. I like it to go on quite subtle, and depending on the mood or what look you want to go for, you can layer it up. So I've put a few layers on there. I don't know if you can see, I think I might zoom you guys in so you can get a better look. But when I do blush, I put it on my cheeks and then I put it on my nose. And putting it on my nose, it kind of gives like a natural, like you've caught the sun a little bit look. So that's what I kind of go for. If you guys can probably see on my skin, I'm not having the best skin time, guys. Because it is, yeah, time of the month. I'm going to say no more. But yeah, so I've got a few little kind of scabs. It's so disgusting. I'm really gross and I like to pick at my face, and so when, you know, time of the month, you get those lumps and you want to pick at them and then you break the skin, then it scabs up. So I would recommend not to do that. Okay guys, so I just zoomed you in, and how funny am I? I'm holding that big mirror up when there's like a mirror on the blush, for goodness sake. So I make myself cringe sometimes. But yeah, I'm just going to put a bit more on just so you can see the colour. It's very baby pink. Okay, so the mirror in the palette is very good quality. I'm looking at it and there's no distortion, yeah. Which is good. So the mirror in it is good quality. I love the overall packaging. It's so like pink and beautiful, and I also like that she's got the names on the front and the back as well, just for, yeah, just the labelling and packaging is really nice. So I think I do want to do a cut crease, and I really want to use as many shades as possible. I'm hoping that, you know what, they should all go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with, I'm just going to start off with Princess as the transition shade. I'm just going to put that in my crease. So let's start with that. That's a nice subtle nude for the crease. Let's do the other eye. Now I'm going to go in with Pink Problems, and I'm going to yeah, just build this crease up so it gets quite dark, so there's a good like contrast between the pinks and the dark colours and with the cut crease. So let's go in with Pink Problems. Okay, so that is pretty, I like that. But yeah, it's just a fallout. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's very like, woo! So the colours have gone on really nicely. They're pigmented, they went on really smoothly, really seamlessly, so that looks really, really nice. I love that. The only thing I would say so far is that, yeah, the fallout kind of isn't great. I'm literally just like tapping it and quite a lot is coming out, so it is crumbling a bit more than I would like it to. But let's just keep going with the look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change brushes, and I'm going I'm going to go in with Admira, and I'm going to really darken the crease and yeah, build that up. So let's see what happens. Okay, so that is Admira on my crease, and I like the colour so far. I kind of expected it to be a little bit more pigmented. That is quite a lot of layers there. But let's continue on to the other eye. So I'm matching, and then we shall do the cut crease and go in with the fun pinks. Actually going to go in with First Date, and which is this lovely red. So I'm just going to blend that on top of the purple. Okay, now that I've put and blended that lovely kind of red pink shades in, it is now time to do the cut crease. I'm just going to take a detailed brush. I'm using BH Cosmetics number 9, and yeah, I'm just going to do a very light cut crease just so it gives me a bit of precision, and hopefully that lovely baby pink that I've got my eyes on, and Candy Heart as well, that hot pink. I'm still unsure what I'm going to do with that, but I'm definitely going to add it. So yeah, I'm going to go in with February after we do this cut crease. I'm just going to quickly do that and we shall continue. Okay, so using BH Cosmetics number 8 brush. Honestly, I got this eye set from BH Cosmetics and I absolutely love the brushes. So yes, let's go in with February. Oh my god, I just love it. If I was a shade. Okay, now that we've got this kind of pink purpley look, I'm gonna, yeah, I really want to introduce this Candy Heart hot pink shade, and I'm like, will I blend it in here? Because I feel like it's just kind of, yeah, just kind of all one shade, so I kind of want to change that up. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with Candy Heart, and we'll just kind of like pat it on, and yeah, just kind of create something a bit more here. Okay, I'm definitely living for this shade. It is so pigmented. Okay, so I'm now going to add and introduce one of these metallic shimmers. So I'm going to go in with Heartthrob. I'm going to go in with the very lightest one. Apparently these aren't massively pigmented, but I'm just going to put a little bit on my finger and I'm just going to put it on the middle of my eyelid just to give it a bit of a pop. People saying that isn't pigmented. That is so pretty. I love that shade. That is honestly so pretty. Okay, some of it has gone into my eye though. Okay, I'm now going in with February again and I'm just going to take it under my eye. Hey guys, so I just zoomed you in even more. I just felt like you couldn't see what I was doing. I can't even see what I'm doing. I don't know, there's something weird going on with my vision today. I'm having a bit of issues seeing. Anyway, I'm actually getting quite frustrated because there are so many pretty colours in this palette. I want to use them all. I feel like I haven't used a lot of the shimmers. I've used Heartthrob, the lightest one, which I absolutely love on the highlight area of my eyelids. But I am just going to kind of leave it at that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add some black eyeliner. Then I will add some mascara. I don't know if I want to add lashes. Yeah, just because I'm not a massive lash person, I do use just mascara. I know, kind of weird, don't judge me. Okay guys, so I just added some eyeliner and mascara. Honestly, I feel like the look comes alive when you do that. I just cannot imagine having makeup without eyeliner. I love it. So yeah, I didn't add lashes, I just put some mascara on because I don't really want to hide what I've created with this palette. Looking at the look, and I think I want to add just a little bit more kind of shimmer in the corner of my eye here. And yeah, I think I'm just going to leave it there. I don't want to like overdo it. So yeah, I'm going to go back in with the shade Heartthrob. I think it was such a nice shade, and that's why I added on the highlight of my eyelid as well. So I'm just going to take, I'm actually just going to take my pinky and I'm just going to pop that kind of in here. Okay, so now that my eyes are done, I'm now going to go in with the Love Set lip kit. Oh, I'm so excited. Look how pretty it is. Oh, I love that. So in here I've got the lip liner, the the Love Set matte liquid lipstick, and the gloss. So, okay, so let's go in with the lip liner. Okay, first impressions, very pigmented, which I love. Okay, so I absolutely love the colour and I like how precise it is. The pencil shape is actually so sharp. Obviously makes it very easy to use, and yeah, I found it very easy just to glide that on and create my shape of lip. So now let's see what this matte liquid lip is about. Smells like sweeties, you know, I was expecting that, so that's really nice. Literally hardly needed any of it, which is really good, so that'll last me a long while. I absolutely love that colour. That is so pretty and it matches the eyes perfectly, which I love because I was really worried. I wasn't sure how red the lipstick would come up because you see a lot of kind of reviews online, different lightings and things, so I was kind of expecting it to be a little bit more reddy, but it's actually more pinky, which is perfect because it goes with the look more. So yeah. Let's go in with this gloss now. Do you know what? I absolutely love the packaging. It is just so pretty. So, ooh. Again, it smells really sweet, which is lovely. And yeah, I mean, the applicator is very big, which I like. So let's just go in. It feels quite thick, but I kind of love it. I kind of love it. It's a nice feeling, even though it feels like you've got lip gloss on. Like, it's not sheer, it's not thin. It's a thick lip gloss. It's thick. It's thick. Okay guys, so I think this is the finished look. I'm going to zoom you guys in so you can have a better look and yeah, just look at the details of what I've done. But I'm kind of living for this. It's so pink, it's just very Valentine's-y. I think the overall collection is so pretty, packaging is wonderful, and the only thing I would say is that the eyeshadow shades were quite, the fallout was quite a lot, like literally just tapping my brush in, there was quite a lot of product coming out of it, which was shitty, but I love the colours, I love the eye look, I love the lips. My lips feel so like smooth. If they feel thick, like, I mean, I know I've got, you know, stuff on them. Sometimes you can get lipstick that's like, oh, it feels like I haven't got anything on my lips. You can feel the gloss, you know, you can feel it's there, but it's a really nice feeling. It's not like sticky. Like when I do that, it's not sticky at all. It feels very smooth on my lips, which I absolutely love. This is the look that I've created. I absolutely love the pinks. It's just so pretty. I love the pink under the eye. I think it just really kind of blends everything in together. And yeah, I love the hot pink, and just that baby pink, honestly, is the cutest thing. If I was a shade, that would be my shade. That would be me. And yeah, this lip is really, really lovely as well. As you can see, not sticky. Honestly, I just absolutely love this look. Probably won't be a video on Monday because this is kind of like the makeup video that I planned on having up last Friday. No, Monday. Ugh, what am I saying? Okay guys, so I really hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching if you're new here. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are new. And yeah, just join the Annie fam. We are the best fam in the world. Yes, I'll see you guys in my next video, which is tomorrow. And is that it? That's everything. Of course, happy Valentine's Day. So I'll see you guys in the video tomorrow. And yeah, I will see you then. Bye. I'm sweating. Okay, so the mirror...